Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 10 math, and then click on view all lessons. Where you can find a list of the chapters. You can start with the chapter circle. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, so let's just start with each lesson. Let's start with the first one, that is parts of a circle. So let's just start with the first lesson. Which figure shows the center? So this diagram correctly shows the center. This is the center of this, right? Then you have this one. This diagram shows diameter, not the center, right? Diameter is the line that passes through the center of the circle, but that connects two points on the circle, right? But that is must for the diameter. It passes through the center of the circle, right? This diagram shows a chord, not the circle. You can see here. This is not passing through the center of the circle, so that is the chord. And this diagram shows an arc, not the center. So arc is that is arc on the circle. The correct option is this one, shows the arc, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which figure shows a sector? Option number one is the correct option, right? That is the sector of the circle on the circle. B is the arc, C is the diameter, and D is the radius of the circle, right? The correct option is A is the sector, right? Okay, which figure shows the center? Which is the correct option? B is the center of the circle, right? The correct option is B. Which figure shows a radius? Option number B is the correct option, that is the radius. Which figure shows an arc, which is the correct option? Option number C is the correct option, that is the arc, right? Which figure shows the diameter? So, which is the correct option? B shows the diameter of the circle, right? D is the diameter, sorry. B is the radius, right? The correct option is D. D is the center of the circle, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is central angles. Let's just start with the lesson. What is the measurement of angle PQR? Okay, so you can see here SPQ is 130 degrees, SPR is 150 degrees. You need to find the P. Basically, the sum of the angles in the circle is 360 degrees, right? So that means all of the angles, sum of all the angles is 360 degrees, right? That is measurement of angle PQR plus 150 plus 130 is 360, right? So the sum of all the angles in the circle is 360 degrees, right? You need to add 50 and 130, subtract it from 360 degrees, right? So that means angle P is 80 degrees. The correct option is 80. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the measurement of angle HFI, which is the correct option? Okay, so this is 140/80, right? You need to find angle F. So measurement of angle F plus 140 plus 80, that equals 360, right? Subtract them the other side. So 140 plus 80 is 220. 360 minus 220 is 140 degrees. So the correct option is 140 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, what is the measurement of angle QR, which is the correct option? That is 80 degrees. The correct option is option number 2. Basically, the sum of all the angles in the circle is 360, right? So you need to subtract 130 and 150 out of 360 and you are left with 80 degrees. So that means the angle P has measurement that is 100, that is 80 degrees, right? Not 180, only 80 degrees. Okay, what is the measurement of angle D, which is the correct option? That is 110 degrees. Option 2 is the correct option, right? Sum of all the angles in the circle is 360 degrees. That is 110 degrees. Okay, the next one is, what is the measurement of the angle GHI, which is the correct option? That is, yes, again 110 degrees, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next is arc measure and arc length. Let's just start with the next lesson, right? Okay, the radius of the circle is 2 meters. What is the length of the arc 40 degree? What is the length of a 45-degree arc? So you are given an arc on the circle that has the measurement 45 degrees, the angle measurement 45 degrees. You are given the radius is 2 meters, right? First thing is you need to find the circumference of the circle, right? The circumference is 2 pi r. So that is 2 times 2 is 4, that is pi. Now you need to find the length of the arc. So how do you find that is length equals circumference times the, that is T equals C times m over 360, because the total angle is 360, right? So that is 4 pi equals 45 over 360, that is pi by 2 meters. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. The radius of a circle is 8 kilometer. What is the length of 180-degree arc? Let's just calculate the length of the arc, right? First thing is calculate fairness, that is C equals 2 pi r, right? That is 2 and 8, so that is 16 pi. Now use the same formula, that is C times m over 360, right? So that is C is 16 pi, m is the angle, that is 180 divided by 360, right? So that is 16 pi, 180 times 100, that is 1 over 2. So 2 times 8 is 16, that is 8 pi. The correct option is 8 pi. Got it? That is 8 pi option number. Yes, 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the radius of this is 7 centimeters. What is the length of 180-degree arc? So first thing you need to do is you need to find the circumference, that is C equals 2 pi r, right? That is 2 times 7 and pi. So that is 14 pi, right? Okay, then you have to calculate the angle. So you can do C times m over 100 and 360, right? So circumference is 16 pi, m is divided by 180 degrees, right? That's the worth we have to write over here. 360, m here is 180. 16 it is. So C equals 16 pi times 100 and divided by 360. So the correct option is 8 pi. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 8 pi. Okay, the next one is 7 pi. Yes, 2 times 7 is 14, 7 by 8 is right. Okay, 7 pi it is, right? Let's just start, move on to next one, that is the radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. What is the length of 135 degrees? First thing is you need to find the circumference, that is C equals 2 pi r, so that is radius is 3, 2 times 3 is 6 pi it is, right? Now you need to find the length of the arc. So you, how do you find C times the length of the arc divided by 360 degrees? So that is 6 pi 135 divided by 360. So which is the correct option? That is, mm, let me 130 times, that is 9 pi by, option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is 9 pi by 4. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is parameter of polygons with an inscribed circle. Let's just start with the lesson. Inscribed angles. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what is the measurement of angle SUT? Here is SU. You need to find the measurement of this angle, right? This is basically SUT. So angle SUT is an inscribed angle, intercepts the same arcs as the central angle. Use the inscribed angle theorem. That is half of the measurement of angle R, right? This angle is exactly the half of this angle. This angle is 68, so half of 68 is 34. So that angle U is 34 degrees, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is measurement of angle FEG? So again, you have to find the angle E, that is an inscribed angle. So that this angle is exactly the half of angle D. So half of 76 is, the correct option is 38 degrees. One is the correct option, right? The correct option is 38 degrees. What is the measurement of angle DEF, which is the correct option? That is 51 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is measurement of angle P, which is the correct option? That is 23 degrees, right? Option number 2 is the option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Six. Oh, you need to find P. P is the double of angle Q, right? So 48 times 2 is 96. What is the measurement of angle V, which is the correct option? Angle V is the double of angle T, right? So 75 times 2 is 150 degrees. What is the measurement of angle UVW, which is the correct option? The correct option is angle V is half of angle T, right? So that is 42 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 66 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 66 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the angle R, which is the correct option? That is 32 degrees. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on 810 math. Chapter 2 working on is circles. The lessons we have covered today are parts of a circle, central angles, arc measure and arc length, then inscribed angles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until lesson, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can join me in the interactive session from 4 to 5. Okay, then that's it. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.